Hey, grade fives. Today we're going to look at another puzzle called the Ken Ken. All right, so how you solve these puzzles. There's some strategy involved, there's some guess and check involved. The first thing you're going to do is examine the puzzle. You'll see this puzzle is a 3 by 3 grid. Okay, it's made up of squares, and there's an equal number of rows and an equal number of columns. So if it's 3 by 3, we're going to be using the numbers 1, 2, and 3. If it was a 4 by 4 grid, we would be using the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this is a 3 by 3 grid, so we're using the numbers 1, 2, and 3. The goal is to fill in the puzzle so that no number repeats in any row or column. Okay, so first of all, we're going to do is we're going to look at these dark black lines that you see around here. And when I click on it, okay, these dark black lines are called cages. So you see this number 3 is 1 box. This here 4 is 2 boxes. This 3 is 2 boxes. Okay, those are called cages. So the next thing you need to know is the number that's in the cage is the target number. So the numbers in those squares have to add up to that number. So this is a single box. These two numbers have to add up to 4. These two numbers have to add up to 3. These two numbers have to add up to 5. And these two numbers have to add up to 3. Okay, so you have to keep all these things in mind. All right. So what I'm thinking now is we have to fill the cages. So the first one is, are there any cages that have just one square? And there are. There's this one right here. All right. So when I click on that, I can put a 3 in that cage. All right, because it's a single cage. Next, I'm going to look at some numbers that add up here. So to add up to 4, that would be a 3 and a 1. All right, because I already have a 3 here, that means I'm going to try a 1 here. And I'm going to put my 3 here because I can't put another 3 in this row. Okay, now this is easier too now because this has to be a 2 because I need numbers 1, 2, and 3. They can't repeat. So that means this has to be a 2. All right, because then I have 1, 2, 3 down this way. Now, 2 plus what is 5? 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, and there's my cage there. 2 plus, well, now I know I have a 3 here and a 2 here, so this has got to be a 1. All right, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Good. This has to be a 1 because 1, 2, 3. That would make this have to be a 2. All right, and it says, congratulations, I solved this puzzle. Okay, and then we just click on the next one, solve another puzzle. All right, again, it's 3 by 3, so I'm using the numbers 1 to 3. There is a single cage here, so of course I'm going to start with that one, 3. And I might have to, this one adds up to 3, and I can't use 3 in this box. I can't use 3 in this box. I can't use 3 in this box, and I can't use 3 in this box. So that means this must be I'm going to try this being a 3. That makes this a 1, because 3 plus 1 is 4. And that would have to make this a 2. And then that would make this a 1, because 1, 2, 3 again. Okay. Now, next, this 5 here. 5, so 3 plus 2. So this would have to be the 2, because I already have 3 in that row, so this would be a 3 because 1, 2, 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. And then the last two boxes are easy because I just fill in what I'm missing. I'm missing a 1 here, and I'm missing a 2 here. Congratulations. All right. So starting out simple, you might have to guess and check. When you click on the square, it also allows you to go backwards. All right. So like if I choose a number here, you can see that I can get out of that box, or if I have a 2 and it's wrong, I can erase it and then get out of the box. So, all right, when you're done and you've completed the puzzle, it will say congratulations. and you move on to your next one. Okay? Good luck. And remember, you're using the numbers 1 to 3 in every row and every column.